Greetings, y'all. My name's Shiro, also known as Vulture Controller. This is my BMW G20. We're getting ready to embark on this auditory nomadic journey. And we're gonna do some customizations to the car, like chrome delete, carbon fiber spoiler. We're gonna powder coat the wheels, and I'm just gonna load this up with my favorite music gear, my bike, and we're gonna hit the road, meet up with some friends, make some music, go on some hikes, and just live life and embrace this nomadic journey. So here is the car in its current state. We'll be customized in the next few months, and until then, I'm gonna go to one of my favorite mountain spots and chill out with this Teenage Engineering OPZ. Just make some beats, enjoy some views. All right, thanks for joining me.